Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, and this week we are continuing our journey through Africa. And this week I thought, well, we haven't made a drink with mangoes yet, so that's what we're gonna highlight this week. Ladies and gentlemen, we're making the Tangaroa mango cocktail. Let's get into it. First off, we're starting with 30 mils of light rum. Now we're gonna add 45 mils of a spiced rum, and 30 mils of Disaronno. Next is 45 mils of lime juice, and finally we will add 60 mils of mango juice. Once it's poured into our glass, we are going to stir it with a cinnamon stick, and we're done. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tangaroa. Mango might be my new favorite mix to use in a cocktail after this. I love this. Mango, almonds. This is delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go finish this on the back patio. Cheers, everybody. That's good.